Class 7, exercise 2B, question number 4 is, apples are sold at rupees 48 4 by 5 per kg. Means cost of 1 kg of apple is rupees 48 4 by 5. What is the cost of 3 by 4 kg of apples? We have to find the cost of 3 by 4 kg of apple. तो जब भी cost of 1 is given, 1 का given है and you have to find 1 से ज़्यादा का फाइंड करना, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना. ओके, सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg एप्पल इज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 48 4 by 5. कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 by 4 kg of apples. So quantity multiplied by the rate per kg. So 48 4 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4. So as we can see, these are in mixed fraction. We have to convert them into improper fraction first. So 5 multiplied by 48 plus 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3 upon 4. 48 multiplied by 5 plus 4. You can do it in rough. 48 multiplied by 5. 5 8s are 40. 4 carry. 5 4 are 20 plus 4 24. 240 plus 4. So it will be 244. 244 upon 5 multiplied by 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 upon 4. Now if they can cancel, then we can, otherwise we can multiply them. But as we can see, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, cancel हो रहा है. 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4. So अब क्या रहेगा, 61 multiplied by 3 upon 1 into 1. You can write it, और लिखना ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी भी नहीं है. Now 61 multiplied by 3, 3 1s are 3, 6 3s are 18, 183. So cost of 3 by 4 kg of apples is equals to rupees 183. Now question number 6 is, a car covers a certain distance at a uniform speed of 66 2 by 3. A car covers a certain distance at a uniform speed of 66 2 by 3 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 9 hours? So uniform speed, that is speed of the car is speed of car is 66 2 by 3 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the speed of time. How much distance will it cover in 9 hours? So time is given to us. Time is equals to 9 hours. As you know that distance is equals to speed into time. This is the formula which you have studied in science also, that if you want to calculate distance, then the formula will be speed into time. Similarly, there are two more formulas. If you want to calculate speed, speed is equals to distance upon time, or if you want to calculate time, time is equals to distance upon speed. These are the other formulas. So if there is any question based on distance or speed or time, so then we have to use these formulas. That depends what is given to us. Now, distance is equals to speed, that is 66, 2 by 3, and time is 9 hours. Now convert it into improper fraction. 66, 3 multiplied by 66 into, plus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 9. So 66, 66 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 66 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18, plus 119, 198 plus 2, that is 200. So 200 upon 3 multiplied by, so 200 upon 3 multiplied by 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now 200 multiplied by 3, that is 2 threes are 6, 600 kilometers. So distance covered by car in 9 hours is equals to 600 kilometers. Rohit takes 4 by 5 minutes to make a complete round of a circular park. How much time will he take to make 15 rounds? For he completes one round in 4 by 5. He completes one round in 4 by 5 minutes. So how much time will he take to complete 15 rounds? So what we have to do, we have to multiply it by time. So time taken to complete one round, that is 4 by 5 minutes. So it is for one round. Now time taken to complete 15 rounds, that is 4 by 5 multiplied by 15. Now again it is in mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 4, you can write it like this, 5 multiplied by 4 plus 4 upon 5 multiplied by 15. 5 4 the 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 upon 5 multiplied by 15. So as we can see that 5 and 15 can be cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 times cancelled. 24 multiplied by 3, 3 fours are 12, 1 carry, 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7, 72 minutes. So 72 minutes are there. 72 minutes can be written as 72 divided by 60. Why we are dividing it by 60? Because we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so 72 minutes, in spite of writing 72 minutes, we can convert it into hours. So when we are dividing it, 72 divided by 60, 61 is 60, 12 left. So 1 hour and 12 minutes. Answer is 1 hour and 12 minutes. So Rohit will take 1 hour and 12 minutes to complete 15 rounds of the circular park. Question is, there are 42 students in a class and 5 by 7 of the students are boys. How many girls are there? Total number of students 42. Number of boys 5 by 7 of the student. How many girls are there in the class? In this question, first we have to find 5 by 7 of. So 40 out of 42, 5 by 7 of 42 are boys. We have to find number of girls in the class. So first of all, we will write total number of students. (42). Number of boys. Number of boys is equals to 5 by 7 of 42. That is 5 by 7 multiplied by 42. We can see that 7 and 42, they are divisible. 7 1 is 7, 7 6 are 42. So 5 multiplied by 6, that is 5 6 are 30. Number of boys 30. We have to find number of girls. Now we have to subtract 30 from 42 because total number of students are 42 and out of 42, 30 are boys, so remaining are girls. So number of girls is equals to 42 minus 30, that is 12. 2 minus 0 2 and 4 minus 3 1, 12. Total 12 girls are there in the class. So in this question, first we have multiplied because actual number of boys is not given to us. So we have found it by multiplying the fraction and then subtract from the total number of students. Question number 14 is, each side of a square field is 4 2 by 3 meter. Find its area. So side of square is given to us and we have to find its area. So as we have studied that area of square is equals to side multiplied by side. Side is given to us. Side of square, that is 4 2 by 3 meter. Area of square is equals to side. This is the formula we have studied in the previous classes also. Side into side. Side is 4 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 2 by 3. Both are in mixed fraction. Convert them into improper fraction. 3 into 4 plus 2 by 3. 3 into 4 plus 2 by 3. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 by 3. Multiply 14 by 3. They cannot be cancelled because numerator and denominator, numerator is even number and denominator is odd number, so they cannot be cancelled. Now what we have to do, we have to just multiply them. 14 into 14 and 3 into 3. 14 multiplied by 14. 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, 4 1 is 4, plus 1 5, 1 4 is 4, 1 1 is 1, 6, 4 plus 5 9, 196 and 3 3 is 9. Now again find the answer in mixed fraction. So 196 divided by 9. 9 2 is 18, 1 left, bring 6, 9 1 is 9. 16 minus 9, 7. So answer will be 21 7 by 9 meter square. Meter square, either you can write meter square like this or you can write square meter. Area is always written as square meter, meter square or centimeter square. So students, remaining parts of these word problems you can practice in your practice notebook.